Hello, everyone, and welcome back. Today, we have 10 real-life conversations designed to help you master daily English naturally. You'll hear our characters navigate the highs and lows of a very busy week, filled with both exciting wins and unexpected surprises. But will everything go smoothly? Let's find out.
Please tell me you have the chocolate truffle cake.
I am so sorry, we just sold out.
You don't understand. It is my anniversary today.
I am apologetic. We have a lovely strawberry tart available instead.
A substitute won't work. I need chocolate.
The tart is actually our daily specialty.
Specialty, like your most famous bakery item?
Exactly. It is our best-selling dessert right now.
But my wife is craving the chocolate one.
I get it. A craving is a strong desire.
Is there another truffle cake in the back?
Well, there is one left in the fridge.
Oh, thank God. I will take it immediately.
I cannot sell it. It is already reserved.
Reserved? You mean held for someone else?
Yes, another customer paid to hold it aside.
I will pay double for that cake.
Sir, I cannot break bakery policy for you.
This anniversary is going to be a disaster.
Let me check the name on the order.
Please hurry. I'm running out of time.
Well, this is actually very strange.
What? Did they cancel the order?
No, the reservation is under Sarah Miller.
Sarah Miller? That is my wife's name.
She bought her own anniversary cake this morning.
She always was the smart one.
Do you want to pick it up now?
Yes, and I will take that tart too.
A perfect substitute for your forgotten gift.
Don't tell her I almost ruined it. Why are there 50 boxes on my lawn?
I have your massive pizza delivery, sir.
I only ordered one salad.
The app says 50 meat lovers specials.
There must be a huge mistake here.
I checked the house address twice, Gary.
My address is 42 Maple Street.
This is 42 Maple Avenue, not Street.
See, this is clearly a delivery mistake.
I already processed the order as delivered.
Well, I am not giving you a signature.
Please, just sign so I can go home.
No signature means the delivery isn't official.
My boss will be so angry with me.
Call him and explain the address error.
He told me I cannot bring food back.
You expect me to eat 50 pizzas?
Maybe you can have a very big party?
I don't even have 50 friends, Nina.
Will you at least help me move them?
Only if you promise me a full refund.
I will call the office for your refund.
Great. Let's stack them back in your car.
You are being very patient about this mess.
Just make sure my salad goes to Mulberry Street.
Excuse me, I need to get inside.
The wedding ceremony started 30 minutes ago.
I know, but my taxi was late.
I cannot let you disrupt the vows.
Disrupt? I will be as quiet as a mouse.
Opening these heavy doors will make a noise.
But I am the groom's best friend.
Even a best friend must arrive on time.
Is there an unauthorized side entrance I can use?
Every entrance is unauthorized once music starts.
I have the wedding rings in my pocket.
You are carrying the actual rings right now?
Yes, they cannot finish the ceremony without me.
This is a very big problem, sir.
So, will you let me sneak in?
No. Wait for the applause to start.
The applause? Why wait for that?
It means the couple is officially married.
But they need the rings before that.
Fine. Crawl in through the back window.
Thank you. I will go right now.
Don't let the photographer see you.
I will be invisible, I promise.
See you at the wedding reception later.
You'll be the first one at the bar. Maya, look at this leather jacket.
Wow, that looks like a high-end designer brand.
It is authentic. Look at the inner label.
No way. This brand costs a fortune.
The price tag says only $5.
Are you sure it is not a fake?
Feel the leather. It is definitely authentic.
That is the biggest bargain of the year.
Let's go to the checkout before they notice.
Wait, the cashier is looking at us.
Just act natural and hold the tag.
Hello, is there a problem with this?
No problem. I want to buy this.
Does this designer item really cost $5?
Don't ask her that, Maya.
I must check the database for this tag.
Please, the sign says all jackets are $5.
You are right. Our policy is very strict.
So I can actually keep this bargain?
Happy birthday, sir. That is $5.
This is my lucky day.
You look like $1 million, Leo.
And it only cost me a sandwich.
Excuse me, I just had to stop you.
Oh, hello. Am I blocking the apples?
No, but your outfit is absolutely pristine.
Pristine? You mean it looks very clean?
I mean, it looks perfect and brand new.
Thank you. I just bought this jacket.
The way you coordinate colors is amazing.
Does coordinate mean to match them well?
Yes, the blue shirt matches the gray pants.
I usually just pick the first clean clothes.
Well, you created a very stylish ensemble today.
An ensemble? Is that like a whole outfit?
Exactly. It is a complete coordinated look.
I am incredibly flattered by your kind words.
Being flattered is a great feeling, isn't it?
Yes, it really made my entire morning better.
Do you work in the fashion industry, Arthur?
No, I actually work in a dusty library.
A librarian with such a modern, sharp style.
Maybe I should start a library fashion show.
You definitely have the confidence for the runway.
I think I will stick to sorting books.
Just make sure you wear that jacket tomorrow.
I think I might wear it every day.
Don't wear it out too quickly, though.
Thank you again for the unexpected compliment.
You are very welcome. Have a stylish day.
I certainly will. Enjoy your grocery shopping, Elena.
I hope I find some stylish oranges next.
Good luck. See you around the neighborhood. Is that your phone vibrating on the table?
Yes, it is a private number from London.
Answer it, Elena. This is the big moment.
Hello? Yes, this is Elena speaking. Right now?
Is it the recruiter from the design firm?
Oh, wow. Really? You mean the senior role?
Did she say the word position, Elena?
I am thrilled to accept the position.
Yes, I knew you could do it, honey.
Does the offer include a health benefit?
Did you just ask about a job benefit?
Yes, medical insurance and a gym membership too.
You deserve every single perk they give you.
Wait, will I have to relocate to London?
Relocate? Does that mean we have to move?
I see. The office is in the city.
Moving to a new city is a huge step.
Can we negotiate the starting date, please?
Negotiate means to discuss and change the terms.
Next month would be much better for us.
I am glad you asked for more time.
Thank you so much. Goodbye. See you soon.
You actually did it. You got the dream.
I can't believe it. My career is finally starting.
I am so incredibly proud of your hard work.
We are going to live in London, Marcus.
Haha, I need to start packing my bags right now.
Thank you for believing in me this whole time.
I always knew you were the best candidate.
Let's go out and celebrate with a fancy dinner.
Sarah, come here and look at this.
Is that the bank account balance, Mark?
We finally hit our 2-year savings goal.
Does that mean we have the full budget?
Yes, every single cent for the dream trip.
I am so happy I could actually cry.
Don't cry yet. Help me pick the destination.
A destination is the place we are going.
Exactly. Should we pick Bali or the Maldives?
Look at the crystal blue water in Bali.
That beach looks absolutely pristine and quiet.
Let's check the price for an all-inclusive resort.
What does all-inclusive mean for a hotel?
It means the food and drinks are included.
That sounds like the perfect plan for us.
I am starting to write our travel itinerary.
An itinerary? Is that like a daily schedule?
Yes, it lists our flights, tours, and dinners.
Make sure we include a scuba diving day.
I'm a little bit scared of sharks.
I will hold your hand the whole time.
You always know how to make me brave.
I'm clicking the Book Now button, Sarah.
Oh my God, we're really doing this.
The tickets are officially in my email inbox.
No more saving every penny for a while.
No more cheap instant noodles for dinner either.
Tonight, we celebrate with a real tropical drink.
I'll go find the tiny paper umbrellas.
Our paradise vacation is finally a reality, Mark.
Check your watch right now, Chloe.
Oh my God, look at the time.
We finished the 5 kilometers in 20 minutes.
That is a new personal record for us.
Does a personal record mean our best time?
Yes, it is the fastest we ever ran.
I feel an incredible rush of endorphins now.
Endorphins? Is that a type of energy drink?
No, those are happy chemicals in the brain.
Well, my brain feels like it is exploding.
Our running pace was very fast today, Chloe.
A pace is how fast we run per mile?
Exactly. We kept a very steady, high speed.
I think my physical stamina is improving lately.
Your stamina is your ability to keep going.
I don't even feel tired or sleepy anymore.
Do you want to run another 5 kilometers?
Let's sign up for a full marathon instead.
A marathon? That is over 42 kilometers.
We have the power to conquer the world.
I love your positive attitude this morning, Chloe.
It is the runner's high talking for me.
We need to buy better running shoes first.
And maybe some professional water bottles too.
I am so glad we started this routine.
Me too. You are a great training partner.
Let's go get a huge, healthy breakfast now.
I earned a giant plate of protein pancakes.
Ha! I'll race you to the coffee shop.
Hey, wait for me, you fast runner.
Did I actually lift that whole stack?
You did it, Mark. 100 kilograms.
I cannot believe I reached this big milestone.
A milestone is a very important life goal.
It felt like it took a million years.
It only took 6 months of hard work.
Was my lifting form okay during the set?
Your form was perfect and very safe today.
Does form mean the way I move?
Yes, the correct position for your body, Mark.
I was worried about my lower back hurting.
Your muscle strength is at a peak level.
I feel so much stronger than last January.
Your physical transformation is honestly quite shocking.
Transformation? Like a total change in my body?
Yes, you look like a brand new person.
I just followed your difficult exercise plan, Alina.
Your success came from your daily consistency, Mark.
Consistency mean doing it every single day?
Exactly. You never missed a single Monday morning.
I wanted to prove that I could do it.
I wrote a glowing review for your file.
A review? Is that a report on my progress?
It is a very positive report for the owner.
Thank you for being such a tough coach.
Don't thank me yet. We start cardio now.
More exercise? I thought I was finished today.
Champions do not stop after one small win.
You are right. Let's hit the running machines.
That is the spirit of a true athlete.
Happy anniversary, Sarah. Open your gift now.
Oh, Mark, you are so very thoughtful.
A thoughtful person thinks about others, right?
Yes, it means you care about my feelings.
I hope you actually like the surprise.
Is this the vintage gold locket watch?
I saw you looking at a photo once.
But I never gave you a hint, Mark.
A hint? Like a secret piece of information?
Yes, a small suggestion to help you choose.
Maybe I used my strong male intuition today.
Intuition? Is that like a gut feeling?
Exactly. I just knew it was for you.
I am so incredibly surprised and happy.
This is a very special occasion for us.
An occasion? Like a big important celebration?
10 years of marriage is the best occasion.
I was just looking at this online yesterday.
I think I am a professional mind reader.
It is the most beautiful gift I own.
It looks perfect around your neck, Sarah.
You always make me feel so very special.
You deserve the world and much more, honey.
How am I supposed to top this gift?
Your smile is the only gift I need.
That is the most romantic thing ever said.
Let's go have our anniversary dinner now.
I want to wear my new locket tonight.
You will be the loveliest woman there.
And you are the best husband in town. Subscribe to stay ahead with more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.